Hi there. Today we're gonna talk about what type of green chickens like. And here we have an average mix. We have a few lettuce leaves which have gone a bit off the date, a bit of sow thistle, or even dandelion can be used. Clover is a big yes, they love it a lot. Here we have some clover. A few cabbage leaves, or even a whole cabbage if you have extras. Broccoli, any greens which are good. We even have some spinach which has gone its past due date, but it's still good for chickens. Leaves like these aren't good, the ones which are rotten away. Usually they won't eat them, so there won't be any trouble. But the others are all good greens. We usually will give them once a day a healthy dose of greens if they aren't in the open. Ours are in a closed aviary, and so we have to give them ourselves the greens. If they are on pasture land, they can eat and look for food on their own. I'm gonna show you how long it will last. Usually they will be waiting for it, so you can see how they are looking forward for the greens. So here we can see them feed on the greens. And as you can see, they love them a lot. Usually in a few minutes there won't be any leaves left, and they would have eaten them all. Those which they don't eat will become compost in the soil. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If so, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks a lot.